Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Got this skid in the garage today. Gonna do some bearing replacement. This shock here, the rubber bushing is totally gone. So I do have a new shock that I got off eBay to install. Got the first idler wheel off here, and this is all loose, so I'll have to tighten that. And then got the snap ring out. So now, I'm glad I'm doing this because this bearing is shot. So we'll go ahead and press this out. So we're just going to go through this skid before we install it in the Trailfire. The Hyfax, I'll probably just wait till I get it installed to replace those. Those aren't too bad when they're on the machine anyway, so. Alright, get this bearing out here. Okay, got this arbor press set up here. Got a couple pieces of aluminum, and then I'll just use a socket to press the bearing out. Just like that. And there's the bearing. Yeah, it doesn't really want to spin at all. And it looks like there is some sort of plastic spacer in here I'll have to get out. And there's always, bearings always have a number on them. Looks like this one's 6206, and it's rubber-sided seal on both sides. So I'm just going to go through here and get all these bearings out, and hopefully I'll be able to find these locally. If not, I'll just order them online. Okay, so got the bearing totally free. There was a metal spacer here and then two plastic washers. So I took a socket and pressed the spacer out, and then I took some slip joint pliers and on both ends and just twisted the one washer out, and then used a socket to press the other one out. Okay, so that's one bearing down. Go ahead and do some more of these. Alright, got the second wheel off. Get this snap ring out of here. Make sure it doesn't go flying across the garage. Alright, then we'll press this bearing out. Just like that. Okay, now we got to get that metal spacer out of there. Just like that. Okay, and then get these plastic washers off. I just went like this. Just grab both sides. Give it a little twist. And there's the one. And for the second one, what you can do is just take a socket and press that up, just like that. And there's the second bearing, and that's pretty much shot too. So anyway, that's the process of these, getting these bearings out. Get some more out here. Okay, I got most of the front wheels off. Now these upper wheels, they got a little collar here with a couple Allen head set screws. So I'll just loosen those up, the collars come off. There's a little wave washer right here. And then that'll slide off just like that. Alright, got it all torn apart. So after looking at this bearing closer, it's a 6205, so I need about 11 of those. And notice these plastic pieces here are worn through, so I'll see if I can get some new ones of those. But yeah, this thing's all torn apart. I got the new shock here. So get these bearings tomorrow, get this thing put back together before I forget how it goes. Alright, thanks for watching.